Konnichiwa, Road 2017 in Nagoya. This is the welcome words for your road, and I'm very happy to present you the following movie as a greeting word from the TechROAD 2017 here in the Berlin Castle.
So, and for me it was very interesting to see the connection between science, business, experts and students.
We discussed the mobility 4.0 and we discussed on the park drive the smart park.
First of all, the question is who is driving this industry behind. Definitely, in our opinion, this will be driven by the silicon industry because they enter this as their new market, and of course the telecom industry because they want to get this information forwarded. And this is currently where we see the most beneficial infrastructure behind it.
This area definitely will bring the attention to the society.
It's unclear who will survive and who will emerge.
There are so many issues to be solved within this development so that the hardware costs and so on are decreasing and the software as a complex system is so highly increasing that there are many problems too.
All the groups understood the importance of this topic, but all the groups worked out that there's a lot of work to do.
To make the next step into a disruptive innovation regarding testing strategies.
So we discussed which things will be necessary in future regarding semiconductors.
We have to take care about the security of these systems. That's perhaps different to the systems before.
We need to understand how to calibrate and how to start with our automated driving to create the reference system.
The main focus we should spend on dealing with the question of how to integrate and finding the real technology leaders in that area.
In the future, if you have autonomous cars, then there's no driver anymore. So you need some methods to get the confidence that these cars don't cause accidents.
Talk about the smart traffic.
We will storage the data from the data bank, and then we will reduce the CO2 emissions and the energy consumption.
How could we reduce very intelligently the big amount of data that currently is supposed to be needed to validate automated driving systems or ADAS functions?
The main issues and value contributions and issues that we need to solve are much more collaboration between companies, so we need frameworks and standardized interfaces to do so.
Because money makes the world go round, so nothing works voluntary, so we have to create business model to earn money, and this forces all these technologies, this know-how.
We need especially a very close cooperation in the supply chain.
Business possibilities would be in simulation and virtual and real testing of such very important scenarios.
To test this, we need a simplified model of the environment presentation if it's done on a conventional way. But we do not have any solution how we should test this if it's deep learning, end-to-end learning.
What could be done in the short term could be the realization of systems that can save time for the drivers, like for example green traffic lights synchronization with your connected system, connected vehicle, or for example system that in real time gives you the free parking slots that you can where you can park your car, saving time and money.
All what we can simulate, and all predictable situations can be simulated. But for the reference, we need to go with the driver, the real human, and the real human should be the reference for the next automated driving system, because it is like unknown from unknown. So we don't know in the first 100 kilometers, we don't know what can happen.
Without those frameworks, we will not integrate them, and without the collaboration networks, we will not handle the complexity.
Of course, they still need to be affordable, always important for automotive.
So as a summary, this was a very interesting discussion we had, sometimes controversial. A lot of the participants brought their experience into the discussion.
But there are still some open questions to this.
I think that's it.
That's it.
So this was the TechROAD2017 here in the University Castle, Berlin Castle. I am very happy to have these presentations here and the keynote speakers, and I think that I can speak for all of us. We made a lot of experience, and also in the workshop about the sensor technique and the infrastructure, we made progress in the business models. And I'm looking forward for the next road now taking place in Nagoya in Japan.